this is Harvey Jai from Mass Communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this we're gonna do a boot speeding test between iPhone 14 Plus with Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Samsung the power button is here and Apple the power button here at the same place, both of them. So without any further ado, let's hit them. 1, 2 and 3. iPhone 14 Plus is the clear winner. Samsung is still loading the process. iPhone is ready to work. Let's do something. Now I will unlock the phone and I'll see any application is open or not. There we go. I close all. So you see guys, nothing is here. So we'll shut it down. We'll do similar to iPhone 14 Plus. We'll check it has any application open or not. There we go. Many things is open so far here. Close all. And now we go inside the setting to shut it down. Now we'll change the hand. Samsung will go to the left side and iPhone will come to the right side. The power button at the same place. Let's see. 1, 2 and 3. iPhone 14 Plus is a clear winner in this case, although this phone has 4 GB of RAM and this phone has 8 GB of RAM. It doesn't matter, iPhone performs better in booting speed test. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Have a lovely evening. Take care till then. Bye bye.